This example represents an HTML document that creates a two-column layout with a hero banner and a meteor rain effect. The layout is designed using the Bootstrap framework. The HTML structure consists of several elements, each serving a specific purpose. The outermost container is a div element with the class background container. It sets a background image and defines its size and position properties. The height is set to 100 VH, which means it will cover the entire height of the viewport. The overflow property is set to hidden to prevent content from overflowing. Inside the background container, there is a div element with the class Meteor Rain. This container holds multiple meteor elements. Each meteor is represented by a div element with the class Meteor. The meteor elements are absolutely positioned and animated to simulate falling meteors using CSS keyframes animation. Next, there is a div element with the class container which contains a two-column layout. The layout is achieved using Bootstrap's grid system. The row class creates a horizontal row, and the colMD6 class creates two columns, each occupying 6 columns in medium-sized screens and above. The left column contains the hero text with a title and description. The text is vertically and horizontally centered using the centered content class. The title is wrapped in an H1 element with the class hero title, which applies styling such as a gradient background, padding, and letter spacing. The description is a less than p element with the class hero description and has a maximum width set to 550px. The right column contains a centered image. The image is represented by an img element with the class centered image. It has a fixed width of 400px and reduced opacity. At the bottom of the HTML document, there is a JavaScript code snippet. It adds functionality to create and remove meteor elements dynamically. When the DOM content loaded event is triggered, the code selects the meteor container and its child elements. It defines two functions: create meteor and remove meteor to add and remove meteor elements from the container. The setInterval function is used to periodically check the number of meteor elements and create new ones if the count is below a certain limit. The frequency of meteor creation can be adjusted by modifying the interval value. In summary, the given code creates a visually appealing web page layout with a hero banner and a meteor rain effect. The layout is responsive and uses Bootstrap for styling and grid system. The JavaScript code adds dynamic behavior to create a continuous meteor rain effect on the screen. Check the description for the example project.